Good afternoon and welcome to today's News 2020. Home Minister Arvind Kejriwal and Prime Minister Mayawati today co-introduced the motion in Lok Sabha for introducing the elephant as a symbol of the Indian currency, replacing the Ashoka pillar. In their opening speech in the lower house of parliament, they said that the elephant best represented the national culture and the economic way forward for the country. Looking beyond, Indian mission to Mars, Mangala, today made a successful landing on the red planet. It has begun to relay back images from the planet, where one specifically interesting image is that of Curiosity, the first robot to land in Mars in 2012, posing with a wrapper of the very popular chocolate Mars. Now moving to news from Olympics 2020. India today notched up its most impressive medals tally of 22 medals in a single edition of Games. According to our Sports Minister Navjot Singh Sidhu, their next target is to overhaul Michael Phelps' medal tally of 47. This was the news from across the world. Moving to our business segment, we have a special feature on American Express Service Center India, a team that over the last decade has surpassed all expectations. According to the recent survey conducted nationally, they were awarded the Best Global Center. One of the key reasons for the success of this center has been his long-tenured and stable management team. Professor Manish Banerjee has now been with the company for over 30 years. He has successfully navigated disputes for the last 20 years and has now been rechristened as a productivity czar, having successfully brought down the disputes headcount from 400 to 40. However, he still looks as busy as he did when he was managing a team of 400. On a personal front, he is now a member of the Amex Veterans Club and undertakes periodic trips to various centers across the world, sharing his vast repertoire of experiences and enjoying the local culinary delights. Irfan Khan is now known as Mr. Amex Vasooli. There is no segment, skill or customer he doesn't collect from. Over the last 5 years, their corporate ACM has consistently climbed and was 95 in 2019. Now the stage has come that his team is being approached by competitors like Citibank and Bank of America to do collections for them. Tina Dhawan has now become the epitome of blue work, as she has bridged the gap between her office and home by having a blue ropeway installed between the center and her home. Popularizing her medium of choice, she now speaks to everyone via click to chat rather than in person or telephone. Vikas Anand now found his true calling and found a role in Bollywood Masala movie, in addition to being the global head for billing and payments. He also lends his expertise to other initiatives at the center under the Healthy Living, like Dance at Work, which got launched in 2015. By some miracle, Navneet Malik continues to ensure that costs are on a downward trajectory for over 15 years in a row. When asked, he said the two key drivers for success are still the same as they were 15 years ago: better seat utilization and transport efficiency. In 2020, he has also pioneered a new initiative, which is right here for you to see: the double-decker workstations. Navneet believes this will be a game changer for the center and move our shift utilization to 6.0. HRT has now become a revenue generating entity. For every hour they spend with the employees, they now send a bill to the respective operations leader. Ritu has acquired a superwoman status. From doing 10 projects in a year, she has now moved it up to 50. Pradeep Kapoor continues to maintain his focus on variation management and segmentation. He is now looking to reduce the gap between the top and bottom deciles, even as Walkham is 85%. In other highlights from the center, American Express now is moving the center from Golf Course Road to Manesar Extension, as their lease with DLF has expired, and DLF is planning to convert this center into Magnolia 8. The center's great performance has been attributed to the success of work from home initiative, where all band 35s and above are required to work from home at least 4 days in a week so CCPs can do their job in peace. The career pathing for CCPs continues to be successful, with 3 more levels introduced: Ultra Premier CCPs, Super Ultra Premier CCPs, and Lead Super Ultra Premier CCPs. When we spoke with the agency that gave the award, they attributed the India Center's win to 6 key reasons. The center is running the largest number of end-to-end processes, taking complete accountability of the end customer experience. The center is adding a lot more value for the business. The Amex India Center is engaged in designing the overall global servicing strategy. The customer satisfaction is the best in class across industries. In the major shift from industry practice, a large number of global projects are being managed by the CCPs of the India Center. Also, in an industry first, the center has successfully trained their CCPs to be universal CCPs, best talent across multiple channels. Looking at the impressive performance of the team, we will now play you an interview of Nitin Seth, Managing Director and Country Head, Fidelity Worldwide Investments Operations in India, shot in 2012, where he is being interviewed by a senior business reporter, Ankur Dhingra. This brings us to the end of this bulletin. We hope you enjoyed looking back at a journey of this great organization, just as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you. Thank you for joining us today.